Ano na? Mag-isa pagising na kayo. Aalis na.
Ay, hindi pa nga ako naka-prepare eh. Hindi naka-prepare, naka-lipstick na.
Oh, mga kiddo.
Kiddos.
Oh, pak. So, ano bang mayroon ka sa bag mo? Ha? Ano may gusto ka ba sa bag niya?
Gusto ko siya.
Ah?
Pam bansang pamilya. Daddy Ren, Mami Emmy, Princess Nicole Yala at si Prince Clarence. Mag-i-enjoy kayong sila'y kasama. Pam bansang pamilya. Pam samahan natin sila. Fun-filled na baling ng pamilya.
Yes.
Asa 44.
Dito ka, Jens.
So, by the way po, my name is Len, one of your tour guide po today. Hello po. Then our driver po si June.
Hello po,
good morning. Good morning.
So, our approximate time travel po is 1.5 hours.
Uy, tagal pa.
Then the road condition, we have a long and winding road. So I hope nobody has a motion sickness. Or just in case meron po, sabi lang, so we can stop po. Then when we arrive at Sabang, we will ride a motorized boat for 20 minutes just to reach the national park. Then when we reach the national park, we need to walk like 3 minutes to reach the entrance of the cave.
This will be a wet and wild adventure.
Like me? Sorry. Laban sa
Ayaw niya mangitim.
I know, it's an open. Oh, yun. Beach hot, but kaya naman.
Game ready. And let's go. Here. Okay, where are we going?
Where are we going?
That's waterproof.
Yes, and that's good.
Where are we going? That's underground river.
Oh, you can sit here. Pwede ba rito? Oh, you can sit here, guys.
I don't.
Ayun na, gusto niya kasama ni.
Kasi baby pa eh.
Papahirap ka.
You want to sit there? Explore. Ano ba? Okay, tatakot.
I'm not scared. O sige, you sit down there with me.
Sila na rin ba?
Hindi
Ikaw pala takot eh. Diba? Ano yun? Ang laki ko. Nasakop ka nga nito eh. Oh. Nakababa ka na. Ano?
Hi guys.
Kakabidyo.
May mga wild mango pa rin kami dito at mga wild mangoes yung paho.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
So now you see the lizard. What can you say?
What can you say? What can you say? Does this look like Dad? The monkey.
It looks like
Dad, Dad, where are you? Picture.
Ready na sila.
May bayawak. May bayawak. Ayun o. May bayawak. Ang ganda ng bayawak. May boobs.
Ready na kayo? Papasok. Ready na ang mga papampang. It's their first time ni Princess and ni Prince. Ayan. Ready na ba kayo makuha? Ready na kayo makuha? Sorry. How was the experience?
good.
Like how good?
Good.
How was it?
It's good. How about you? It's good, right? It's very interesting. Did you see the shape of the
Ayusin mo yung hair.
the vegetable?
I saw the shape of
Oh. Did you see the butt?
I said to Dad if there's diamond. Yeah, I said
Hey, we're done with Underground River.
I hear it.
Ay, it's so far, Prince. This is where we're going. Ayun na, meron pa. Ayun.
Ano yan?
You're in luck. That's where
Ate?
we're going, in the brown.
Ate?
Kayo po, kumusta po ang
Ayan, so that ends our PPUR tour. Puerto Princesa Underground River
Nagtira
Tour.
kami para sa pizza namin.
Nagtira ng ano?
Nagtira kami ng insect oil.
Doon kakakain lang kasi. Ang finale kasi ng tour na ito, lunch. So, ang sinasabi ni Daddy rin, nagtira daw siya ng space at siyan para kumain pa ng pizza sa hotel. Wow.
Nag-miss kasi yung pizza ko.
First time ng kids and I think they enjoyed. First time ko rin narinig, ay hindi narinig ang boses ni Prince ng mga ilang minuto kasi kabilin-bilina na dapat tahimik inside. I think they really had fun. Kami rin. Thank you mga Papam fans and I hope you get to visit Puerto Princesa soon. Bye-bye!
Pambansang pamilya. Daddy Ren, Mami Emmy, Princess Nicole Yala at si Prince Clarence. Mag-i-enjoy kayong sila'y kasama. Pambansang pamilya. Samahan natin sila. Fun-filled na baling ng pamilya.